Hey friends, this is Dimitri with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the touchpad on your Sony XM4 headphones. In this video, the tools that will be required is a pry tool, and we're going to go ahead and use this awesome handy dandy toolkit. We do sell this on our website as well. For this repair, we're gonna need the Phillips Plus screwdriver, and for this one we're gonna go ahead and use the PHO screw bit. If you guys want to crop one of these, we do sell them on our website. The link will be in the description below for this toolkit as well as the pry tool if you don't have one and you need one. What's cool about this toolkit is it comes with a different amount of variation of bits, and it's got some tweezers which you can use these to solder wires or remove speakers if necessary, and you could also use them to remove any black or straight gray hairs that you may have that are bugging you. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It comes with a bunch of different bits, and you can use it all around for just about anything, including repairing your electronics. So if you want to get one of these, we do sell them on our website. The link will be in the description below. So to replace the trackpad or the touchpad on the Sony XM4 headphones, it is located on the right side, and the first thing that you need to do is remove the ear pad. So to remove the ear pad, we're going to go ahead and use this pry tool. We're going to take off the ear pad. Once you pry one side open and it pops open, go ahead, set the pry tool aside and just use your hand to remove the rest of the ear pad. Don't go, make sure you're gentle with this so that you don't break off any of these clips on the ear pad, because if you do break them, then that side won't fasten and it'll be coming up every time you tug on it. So once the ear pad is removed, go ahead, put that aside, remove the foam piece, and for this repair, all you gotta do is remove the 4 silver screws that have the little arrow indicators pointing at. I like to place the screws inside the foam piece to ensure I don't lose them. For instance, this screw doesn't want to come out after I unscrewed it fully, so I'm going to go ahead and use the handy dandy tweezers to assist me in the process of removing the screws. So go ahead and pop the tweezers out. Once you remove the 4 silver screws, go ahead and flip the headphones over, and the touchpad should come right off, but if it doesn't, you can always bend the headphones in like this. Take your pry tool and just kind of place it right into the little crack there and push up so that it should create some space like so. Once it does that, you can then go ahead, grab it, open it up, and right here the touchpad has a ribbon that connects to the power board, and you're just simply gonna take it, pull up, and unplug it from the power board. So with the new piece, you want to make sure that you inspect the rivet. Make sure that it's good and has no tears in it, and that all the connection points are clean. Once you have done your inspection, the next step that you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and plug the ribbon back into the power board. A good indication that this is fully plugged in is this line that is running right through the ribbon It shouldn't be visible once it's plugged back in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and grab the ribbon, and plug it into the power board like so. Once it's plugged in, you can always check on the other end to confirm that it is all the way plugged in. Once it is, you want to gently go ahead and close the touchpad, place it back into place. You can always check and make sure that it's flush right there and that there's not a massive gap. You could also do that by just pushing down on this side. And while you're pressing down, go ahead and flip the headphones over, place them down. And the next step that we're gonna do is we're gonna place these screws. We're gonna put them back into the speaker. And these are the screws that hold the touchpad. These screws make sure that this is held into place and that it's not falling off. Once you placed the 4 screws back in, you can go ahead and take the foam piece. Make sure that the rounded end is facing the rounded part on the speaker and that the straighter end, the flatter end, is matched with this side where it's more straight. Go ahead, place that in. And the last step that you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and clip the ear pad back into the speaker. How I like to do this is I like to make sure that the top pin matches up with that one, the hole right there. We're gonna go ahead and place it in. Once it's matched up, we're just gonna lightly place the ear pad all the way around and push down on the ends of the ear pad. You should feel and hear it click into place. And once you've done that, just kind of go around once more, make sure that everything is popped back into place properly. And you can also do the pull test where you just lightly pull on the ear pad to ensure that no ends pop up. And once it seems like it is secure, you have properly put the ear pad back into place. And that is all, that's all there is to it. That is how you replace the touchpad on your Sony XM4 headphones.